Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot, and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 13th of April to 17th of April. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. So we are going to do a top-down analysis from monthly time frame, then we'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide those key entry levels. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame. And in this analysis, I'll be doing the wave counts. Now, as you see, now we have wave counts here, and also I'll be reading the levels of support and resistance, and I'll be reading the candles and the candlestick patterns. So under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide a probable direction on gold. So I'm in a monthly time frame. Then looking closely in monthly time frame, we see we have this key level whereby anytime price is trading above this level, we are still expecting that monthly time frame is bullish. So currently we see we have several candles above this level, and now some rejections were happening. So currently we still expect that price is expecting to have a powerful push to the upside. And looking on the current monthly candle, it is still like a sort of indecision, but buyers are taking some control based on the current formation, but we still have 18 days for this candle to close, so we may still wait to conclude like the formation of this candle, now how the candle will look like. But all in all, we have to expect for the possible continuation of price move to the upside. And then straightforward in weekly time frame, what is happening here? Okay, so weekly time frame is nice. Looking on the formations, we had this one since our previous analysis, and the expectations was after this formation, price may continue pushing to the upside with a slight retracement, then a continuation to the upside, and exactly that is what has happened. Then currently, if we combine those three candles, the red one plus those two green candles, they deliver a potential continuation of price push to the upside. And now in addition, we have this key level here, and also we have another level below here. So actually combining this formation and those key levels here, in most cases we expect there are many buyers who were waiting for price to come at this region and then continue pushing it to the upside. So all in all, we are expecting for potential continuation of price move to the upside, but lower time frames will tell us exactly now where price is going to take off. And now going straight to the daily time frame. Okay, looking on daily time frame, we see we had this push to the downside in 3-wave swing, and actually the issue was with the completion of this region here, now in formation of the 4th wave, or wave C of the 4th wave. So actually previously we were expecting there must be another push to the downside, but actually price has confirmed the another formation that is now clear, whereby currently price has already completed a correction right at this region. So this is the 4th wave, so it is actually the 5th of wave C of the 4th wave. And now currently what is happening here, it's just expectation of, we're expecting for the beginning, it's now the beginning of continuation of price push to the upside, because in a higher time frame we see price is expected to continue pushing to the upside. But now looking on daily time frame, all these movements are happening here. These are the potential beginning of price push to the upside. And now if you go closely looking at this region, for those who know wave counts, you may see those swings in the 2nd wave, the 3rd wave, the 4th wave, and finally the 5th wave to the upside. So we may expect this swing has already completed 5-wave move to the upside. So what is expected next is price is going to do a sort of correction before it continues to the upside. So 4-hour time frame will tell us exactly now where are we expecting, but this is overall in daily time frame. Then finally in 4-hour time frame, we see formations now are very clear. The wave counts are also clear. We see the 5-wave move to the upside, and also in addition to that, we see the levels of support and resistance, now the trend lines, and also now these are the dynamic support and resistance, and also have the static ones. Now we have this one and another one down here. Also, in addition, we have the bigger one. So now these are the static levels of support and resistance, which will guide us on trading decisions. So now, if now the fifth wave has already completed right at this region, so we are expecting for a potential correction before price continues to the upside. So in a longer term, we are still expecting for potential buys. Okay, so based on this formation, we have this trend line right at this region. So at any point when the price goes outside of this level of support, we will be expecting for a continuation of correction, which was expected to, which is expected to have already started at this region. So this is the beginning of correction, and now correction was corrected as well. So we expect for another potential swing to the downside in the completion of a corrective move. So actually our decisive point will be when the price goes out of this. And now when this one, the level of support is broken, in addition, you will be taking trades when you see prices also broken this level, the static level of support. So it will break the dynamic first, then for further confirmation, we need to see the static support also has broken. And now to the upside, if price will break this level, it may resume with another push to the upside. It is also possible. So we'll be looking also for the static resistance at this region for the potential push to the upside. So how far price will be expected to go to the upside with this push here? We have this level of resistance here is the most likely level for price to react, and to the downside we have this level of support. So in most cases, price is most likely to react at this level of support. So specifically now, how are you going to trade next week? So next week you'll be watching for potential buys after price has corrected to the levels around 4,600. So around this region down here. So when price correct up to this region and form buy confirmation, so this will be the right place for taking buy trades. And now this will be a long-term ride, so we may expect now next analysis will also involve continuation of those push, but the specific region to watch for buys is 4,600. And for those who wish to take short-term sells, you may sell around 4,700, taking profits around 4,600. So that is exactly how you are going to trade. If you will be taking buys, and if price now fails to break this level of support and goes straight to the upside, you will be buying when price now breaks this region for further confirmation. If this high is broken around 4,849, if this is broken, you will be trading to the upside to the level of resistance now around 5,000. In most cases, we can take trades at profits at the psychological level now, the 5,000. So that is how you are going to trade. Do your own analysis and watch analysis from other traders for further confirmations, and like this video. If you have any comment, write in the comment section and share this video if you find that it is useful. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.